10 easy home remedies to get rid of blackheads. Blackheads, those pesky dark spots that appear on the skin due to clogged pores, are a common skincare concern for many. While commercial products can help, natural remedies using ingredients found at home can be effective and gentle on the skin. Here are 10 easy home remedies to help you combat blackheads. 1. Baking soda scrub. Create a paste using baking soda and water. Gently scrub the affected areas in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. 2. Honey and cinnamon strips. Mix honey with a pinch of cinnamon to form a paste. Apply this paste to your nose or other affected areas. Place a clean strip of cotton over it and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Peel off gently and rinse with water. 3. Oatmeal and yogurt mask. Mix cooked oatmeal with yogurt to make a thick paste. Apply the mixture to your face, focusing on blackhead-prone areas. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. 4. Lemon juice cleanse. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a bowl. Using a cotton ball, apply the juice to your blackheads. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing with cool water. 5. Steam facial. Boil water in a large pot and remove from heat. Place your face over the steam with a towel draped over your head. Steam for 5 to 10 minutes to help open pores. Follow with gentle extraction using a blackhead remover tool if needed. 6. Green tea scrub. Mix green tea leaves with water to create a paste. Gently scrub the paste onto your face in circular motions. Rinse with lukewarm water. 7. Apple cider vinegar toner. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Apply the solution to your face using a cotton ball as a toner. Let it dry before applying moisturizer. 8. Tomato pulp mask. Mash a fresh tomato into pulp. Apply the pulp to your face, focusing on blackhead areas. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. 9. Egg white mask. Separate the egg white from the yolk. Apply the egg white to your face using a brush. Place a thin tissue over the layer and apply another layer of egg white. Peel off gently after it dries completely. 10. Tea tree oil treatment. Mix the few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like jojoba oil. Apply the mixture to your blackheads using a cotton swab. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with water. These simple yet effective home remedies can help reduce the appearance of blackheads and improve the overall texture of your skin. Remember to perform a patch test before trying any new remedy, especially if you have sensitive skin. With regular use and proper skincare routines, you can achieve clearer and smoother skin naturally.